Hi, it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Today I have another channel for you that you are going to adore. This channel is such a pick-me-up. All of her videos are so happy and fun that no matter what you're feeling that day, she is gonna make you feel better. So go ahead, pop over and check out Lady Samoan, the Lady of Crochet. Lady Samoan, the Lady of Crochet. Her channel is amazing. It's very upbeat and fun. She has 2,560 subscribers when I was filming this, and 604 videos. What she says about her channel, I didn't say that. Welcome to the Lady of Crochet Creations, home of the beautiful love plushies. Join me on a colorful journey into my world of crochet. Here I'm all about the art of crafting with yarn, one stitch at a time. My channel is a cozy corner of creativity where I share my passion for crochet and all things yarn related. So she does amigurumi and hats. That's basically her jam. Hats and amigurumi. But she loves color. She's all about bright colors. I'll put on a bright shirt for you. This is my Lady Samoan shirt. And she's really confident. She wears crazy glasses, which I appreciate. I love a good crazy glass on your face. I love it. Another great thing about Lady Samoan is this video I found of hers where she pretty much did Academy Awards for herself, for everything she created in 2025. It was a hoot. She put her microphone on a furls crochet hook, on a metal crochet hook, and she just lived her best life doing her own Academy Awards. It was very entertaining. And I think the gist of it is and what she encourages you to do, is to pat yourself on the back for all the great things you did. Because I think as we do go through life, we get a whole bunch of things done and we're super productive, but we feel we remember what we didn't get done, the uncompleted things, So her look on it, or her take on it, is give yourself a pat on the back for all the things you actually got done and be proud of yourself. And there's nothing wrong with openly being proud of what you did. And I was like, that is so good. So I'm definitely going to be doing Academy Awards for 2026. I think that's a great idea. So go ahead. I'm going to link that video also in the description box down below. You're going to love it. It's a hoot. So definitely pop on over, check her out, watch one of her videos. If you feel her vibe as much as I do, go ahead and subscribe to her channel. Tell her that we're talking about her and share some yarny love in the world. I just love giving shout outs to littler channels that are showing up, creating amazing content, and just making our community a better place. And she definitely does. So pop on over, give her some love, give her subscribe, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video tomorrow. Stay hooked. I hope it's tomorrow. Is it tomorrow? Stay hooked. Well, I guess that's what's up. Spruce the hair. Does it help? Okay, hold on. Okay. We're back. Okay, I cannot wait. You're gonna freak for this one too. Hold on. Hi, it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to a new episode. No, what are you going on about? Another thing, I'm recording, okay.